Welcome to Level Up English, your bridge to real English. I'm Nora.
And I'm Leo. Let's go. Nora, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
That's it? I'm fine?
Yep, fine, good, okay. The same 3 words everybody uses every single time.
And that is exactly the problem we're fixing today.
Yes, because, real talk, I'm fine is the most boring answer in the English language. It says nothing. Are you happy, sad, tired, hungry, excited? I'm fine tells me 0.
And here's the thing. You probably know other words. You've studied them. But when someone asks, how are you? Your brain just goes, I'm fine. Every single time.
So today we're playing a game. We're calling it the emotion upgrade. I give Leo a boring situation, he gives me the fine answer, and then we upgrade it to something real and expressive. And then we switch.
I love this. Let's see who can come up with the best upgrades. Challenge accepted.
Okay, situation number 1. Leo, imagine you studied all night for a big exam, like 0 sleep. You walk into class the next morning and someone asks how you are. What do you say?
I'm tired?
Tired? Tired? You haven't slept in 24 hours and you're just tired?
Okay, upgrade. I'm wiped out. I'm completely wiped out. That's when you're so tired your brain is barely working.
Yes, wiped out, like someone erased all your energy. Gone, nothing left. I'm wiped out is so much more powerful than just I'm tired.
You could also say I'm exhausted. Similar vibe. But wiped out hits different. I pulled an all-nighter and I'm completely wiped out.
Ooh, pulled an all-nighter. That means you stayed awake the entire night. I do that with Netflix way too often. Pixel judges me from the couch at 4 a.m.
Okay, my turn to give you a situation. Nora, your boss just told you that you're leading a big presentation tomorrow in front of the whole company. How are you feeling?
Oh gosh, I'm scared?
Upgrade it?
Okay, I'm nervous. Or even better, I'm so nervous. My hands are literally shaking.
Nervous. That's perfect. Scared is more like there's a spider on your wall. Nervous is when something important is about to happen and you feel that energy in your body.
And you can describe how it feels. I get sweaty palms. That means your hands get wet because you're nervous, like before a job interview or before speaking in front of people.
Oh, I know that feeling. Before a marathon, my palms are dripping.
Or my stomach is in knots, like your stomach is all twisted up. That's nervousness living in your body.
My stomach is in knots. That's so visual. I love it. You can really feel that one.
Oh, speaking of energy, here's a big upgrade. Instead of I'm happy or I'm good, try I can't wait. Imagine someone asks about your vacation next week and you say, I'm fine. No, I can't wait. Only 3 more days. That's what you want to say.
I can't wait. Write that one down. I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait to see my friends. It shows real emotion.
And Leo, you actually used another great one at the beginning of the episode. I'm pumped.
Oh yeah. I'm pumped means you're full of energy and ready to go. I'm pumped for tonight's game. I'm pumped about this project. It's like excitement at full volume.
Pumped is so much better than excited. It's got that energy. Say it with me. I'm pumped. Louder. Okay, next situation. Leo, you've been at work for 10 hours. No break. Your boss just added more work. How are you?
I'm fine.
Leo!
Kidding. Upgrade. I'm stressed out. Or just, I'm so stressed.
Stressed out. When you have too much going on and your brain can't handle it. Everyone feels this. Everyone.
I'm stressed out about this deadline. I'm stressed about my exams. You can say what's causing the stress too.
And here's a level up. If you're stressed and tired at the same time, I'm burned out. Burned out is when you've been working or studying so hard for so long that you just have nothing left.
Oh, that's a strong one. I'm completely burned out. I need a vacation. You can feel that, right?
Absolutely. Okay, and if you're sitting there right now thinking, I know these words, but I could never say them this fast in a real conversation, yeah, that's the gap. You can understand wiped out and burned out when you hear them, but pulling them out of your brain in the moment, that takes a completely different kind of training.
And that's exactly what From Stuck to Fluent is designed for. 30 days of speaking drills built around real-life moments like these. So the words come out on autopilot, not after 10 seconds of translating in your head.
QR code's on screen if you want to check it out, or the link's in the pinned comment. The bonuses, including 500 everyday phrases, are only available while it lasts.
Okay, more upgrades. Let's keep going. Nora, it's Monday morning. Your alarm goes off. It's raining. You have a meeting at 8 a.m. How are you feeling?
Oh, this one's easy. I'm grumpy. I am the grumpiest person on Monday mornings.
Grumpy. Love it. When you're in a bad mood for no huge reason, just everything annoys you.
And if it's worse than grumpy, I'm cranky. Cranky is like grumpy plus irritable. Don't talk to me, don't look at me, don't breathe near me.
She's cranky today. Be careful. I'll remember that.
You better. Okay, your turn. Leo, you just ate a huge meal, like Thanksgiving level huge. How do you feel?
I'm full, but that's too basic, right? Upgrade, I'm stuffed. I'm absolutely stuffed.
Stuffed, like a turkey. I ate so much, I'm stuffed. It means you're so full you literally cannot eat another bite.
My mom's restaurant does this to me every Sunday. I walk in thinking I'll eat light, and I walk out like, I'm stuffed, I can't move, someone carry me to the car.
That's so real. And on the other end, you know hungry, right? But you can also say, I could eat a horse. That means you're extremely hungry. Not literally eating a horse, obviously.
I could eat a horse right now. That's such a fun one to use. People always smile when they hear it.
Say it with me. I could eat a horse. Come on, louder. I could eat a horse. Good.
Why am I not surprised? Okay, new situation. You just finished a really hard project at work. It took weeks. Your boss loved it. How are you feeling?
Ooh, I'm proud. I'm really proud of myself. And you know what? It's okay to say that. People don't say it enough.
I'm proud of myself. That's powerful. Or I'm proud of my team. You can be proud of other people too.
And in that same moment, you might also feel, I'm relieved. Relieved is when something stressful is finally over, and you just go,
I'm so relieved the exam is over. I'm relieved I got the job. That weight off your shoulders.
Your turn. Think of something you're relieved about. I'm relieved that... Say it out loud. Right now. Go.
Did you say it? Good. See how much better that sounds than I'm fine?
Yes. Okay, this one's fun. Leo, you're waiting for important news. Like, did you get into the program? Did your team win? You don't know yet. How are you feeling?
I'm anxious. That restless feeling. You can't sit still, you keep checking your phone, your leg is bouncing.
Anxious. Similar to nervous, but it's more about waiting and not knowing. I'm anxious about the results.
And here's a cool combo. You can feel two things at the same time. I'm proud, but wiped out. I'm relieved, but overwhelmed. In English, you just connect them with but.
Oh, that's such a good point. Real feelings are messy. You're never just one thing. I'm relieved the project is done, but kind of overwhelmed by what's next. That sounds like a real human being, not a textbook.
Exactly. And here's one more big one. I'm overwhelmed. When everything is happening at once and it's just too much.
Overwhelmed. When your brain says, I can't process all of this. New job, new city, new language, all at the same time. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed.
Learning English can feel overwhelming sometimes, honestly. So many words, so many rules, but that's normal. It's okay to say, I'm a little overwhelmed right now.
And notice, she said, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. You can soften it with a little or kind of. I'm kind of stressed. I'm a little anxious. Sounds more natural. Great tip. Kind of and a little are your best friends for feelings that aren't super intense. I'm kind of tired. I'm a little nervous. You don't always have to be at 100%.
Unless you're excited about this podcast, then it's 100% all the time.
Obviously. Okay, quiz time. I'm going to describe a situation and you, yes you listening, say the emotion before Leo does. Beat him. Ready?
Oh, it's a race now? Bring it.
Situation 1, you slept 3 hours and you can barely keep your eyes open.
Wiped out.
Situation 2, your best friend is coming to visit this weekend and you can't wait.
Pumped.
Situation 3, you have a big test tomorrow and your stomach feels weird.
Nervous.
Situation 4, you just ate 2 pizzas and you cannot move.
Stuffed.
Last one, it's Monday, it's raining, and someone's talking to you before your coffee.
Cranky or grumpy, both work.
If you got 3 or more, you're doing amazing. Seriously.
And remember the big lesson from today. Don't just say, I'm fine. You have so many better options now. I'm wiped out. I'm pumped. I'm a little anxious. I'm relieved. Use them.
Be specific. Be real. That's what makes your English sound human.
All right, comment challenge. We want to hear from you.
Tell us, how are you feeling right now? But you cannot say fine, good, or okay. Use one of the words from today. Like, I'm kind of exhausted because I just finished studying. Or, I'm excited because I'm going on a trip this weekend.
Get creative. The more detail, the better. We read every single comment.
Everyone.
And if you loved this episode, subscribe. Hit that bell so you never miss a new one. And smash the like button. It really helps us out.
Share it with someone who always says I'm fine and needs an upgrade.
We all know someone like that. All right, you were incredible today. Keep using these words, keep speaking out loud, and keep leveling up.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Let's go.